In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive expanding search bar prototype in Figma. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your design portfolio and add engaging interactions to your UI projects. So, let's dive right in. To get started, we'll begin by adding our icon and text to the canvas. These elements will form the foundation of our search bar. Choose an icon that represents a search function, something like a magnifying glass, and type out the text that you'd like to include. It might just be a placeholder at this point, like search, which we'll use as the initial label in the search bar. Next, we need to bring these elements together by surrounding them with a frame. In Figma, framing tools give us the flexibility to combine multiple elements into one cohesive unit. As you frame them, consider giving it a more polished look by rounding the corners. This not only adds a modern touch, but also makes your design appear more inviting and user-friendly. To enhance the dimensionality of the frame, apply a subtle shadow. This minor tweak can make a great difference by giving the illusion of depth, allowing the elements to stand out more against your backdrop. Once your frame is looking just right, it's time to convert it into a component. This is an essential step, as components allow us to manage design variations efficiently. Simply select your frame design, hit Create Component, or use the convenient keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+K. This will help in maintaining consistency across various instances of the search bar throughout your design project. Now, with our new component, we'll move on to adding a variant. Variants are extraordinary in Figma because they let us create multiple states or versions of a single component. Click on Add Variant, and we're now entering the phase of designing our closed or initial state. Edit this first variant so that it resembles a circle button, something that appears minimal until interacted with, hinting to users that it's expandable. Having designed both open and closed variants, the next step is to bring these to life using Figma's prototyping capabilities. Head over to the Prototype tab, where we will start connecting these two variants. Set an on-click trigger that will transition from the closed variant to the open variant and vice versa. This is where the excitement happens. To ensure a smooth and visually catching transition, enable Smart Animation. Choose an animation curve that conveys the speed and atmosphere you want. For example, a gentle ease in might suggest a more relaxed interface. Finally, when you're ready to see the result of your work, preview your design. If everything has been done correctly, you should now be able to interact with your newly developed expanding search bar. This design not only looks great, but will significantly improve the user experience by bringing an intuitive, engaging element to your application or website. Keep exploring Figma's powerful tools and keep pushing the boundaries of your design skills. Happy designing!